Hi, my name is Merle, in case you're new here, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to open a special box. What's in it? Well, let's open it up. More boxes! These 100 boxes are actually for my Magic Babe Garage kit, so let's heave it onto my creative mess table. I really like how these look. Do you want to see my mock-up from before? Yeah, I had to check if all my stuff fits in it, so that's something. And here I have my tissue paper. Well, not this is the upside one, but here I have my pink paper that I want to wrap my sets in. Up here is my little bugs. We have everything I need. I have my COAs in here. Isn't it cute? And then the back side. My idea was to make it like a trading card. So in the future, if I have other molds and stuff, then I want to change the design. So this is COA. What also comes is a little care guide that I designed, which is super cute. And in this little baggie, the S-hooks and magnets and stuff are going to be in. And then for the outside of the packaging, I have these really cute shipping labels. Aren't they cute? I just really want everyone who buys one to feel like Happy Meal is coming and it's a joy. And then also I have these on my Etsy shop. Little art prints or postcards. These are actually German postcard sizes. My sister made these for me. Isn't my Magic Babe adorable? I love these. I can't decide which design I prefer. By the way, there she is. My little star who started it all. So cute. And up there, there's the original. It's an oil painting and an antique gold frame. I really want to sell these ones too. My little OG startup dolls. They're so cute. And also my shelf is my little prototype of these. So cool. And that's cool. Yes, I love League of Legends. Even though I have to say I turned off the chat and I don't really play as ranked. Well, I got a little off tangents here, but how about we finally start packing? Here are two of the first orders I got. I'm carefully counting all the magnets, S-hooks, and body pieces to not miss a single piece. Oh my gosh, that would be horrible. And after checking it once, checking it twice, well, you get the idea. The reason why I ended up getting these boxes is because they open up into a nice tray, so no pieces can fall out or get lost when opening. To make clear on some of the body parts which sides are left and which ones go on the right, I added some stickers to clear up any confusions. Now all the small little pieces and elastics can go into the little baggie and get sealed up with some beautiful washi tape, of course in pink. And now I can finally start wrapping up all the little pieces into little bundles of pink. And lastly, I signed the COAs before closing up the box with love and confetti. Ta-da! What do you think? Does this scream happy box, happy mail? Oh, it does. I love how it turned out. Now finally, both boxes are ready to be sent off to their new owners to create their own Magic Babes. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. And I love you lots. Bye-bye!